Hello guys, today I am going to show you how to warp text in Adobe Illustrator very easily. First, I am going to take a shape, then select a text. Make the text big enough to work with. Now select the shape and go to Object, then bring it to the front. You see, it became the front like this, above the text. Then select both of the object and go to Envelope Distort, make with top object. You can see the text has become warped. You can edit the text or text color anywhere you want, like gradient. You can give gradient if you want. Just before you give gradient, make the appearance of the text no fill, then give it gradient. This way it will work good enough for you to just not keeping the like when you give a normal text gradient, it will have some errors or problems. But if you make the fill none, before you work with the gradients. Like see this, the gradient is not working. But if you give it none, then give it a fill. After giving it a fill, you give gradient, it will work very easy. Go to swatches, go to this way you can warp or shape any object or text easily. You don't need to just use this kind of shape. You can do it with any shape. Like I'm just going to do a quick cut, like just going to make sure this object shape is a path, simplify. Oh, no need to just makeshift shape. This is now I'm going to make it bigger, just to show you that you can do it with any object. Bring it to the front, make it a little bit bigger, select both, then go to Envelope Distort, make with the top like this. See, then select the text, make it none, give it a fill from appearance, then give it a gradient color if you want to give any gradient color. Now I'm going to change the gradient to this is good. This is how you warp text to any shapes as you like and give gradient to the text. You can edit the text by double clicking on the warp shape, and you can change the text to lorem ipsum. You can see I changed my text double click again. That's how you warp text to any shape and give gradient to the text and edit the text in the shapes. Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe and ring the bell icon for any new videos I upload. Thank you.